I've suffered through about 10 episodes of cluster headaches over the past 25 years. It is vitally important that as soon as you feel that familiar pain in your nostril or eye, you must take imitrex or start oxygen treatments. Cluster headaches always intensify very quickly once the first pang is felt, indicating that one is coming on. These headaches are so debilitating that you can never take chances and wait to take medicine too late when you feel the familiar pain starting. You must take the medicine right away. Within 15 minutes of the first burn in the nostril, I've been in excruciating pain. Here are the different methods of administering imitrex or sumatriptan. Taking the medicine orally, slowest way to relief from the pain. A one-shot dose in nasal spray form, 2 to 3 times quicker than oral ingestion for relieving pain. Needle injections are very fast for obtaining pain relief.